Okay. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Bazaar pe Charcha with William O'Neill India and myself, Yatisha, and along with my colleague Rahi is we are going to discuss our key major indexes and how the indexes are placed and how the next things are going to be in the next couple of weeks, and as well as we'll discuss few queries from your side, and we'll start the session. Before we starting the session, this is a disclaimer. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BSL and certification from NASM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related document carefully before investing. And this is our company name and address, and SEBI registration number is also provided. And also, whatever we going to discuss this webinar is purely for educational purposes. So please consult your investment advisor before investing in any stocks or any indexes. Okay, so this is how the sectoral placements if you see here from the last 1 week, majority of the indexes are slightly on the now positive. Few are in the positive, few are in the negative. And if you see Nifty 50 overall it's consolidating from last 1 week, especially in the July first week onwards. And from last on 1 month and 3 month returns are very good, and index is trading at all-time high levels. So there is no any signs of weakness so far in on the majority of the indexes. And except energy and metal, still it is not touched its previous rally high, so still it is in under pressure. So once it crosses its previous rally high, and we'll change it to rally. But as of now, it's still trading below that June highs. So still it is in under pressure. So except that, all the majority of the broader indexes also it's outperforming and in confirm uptrend. So there is no problem in the many of the majority of the indexes. Let us look for the uh, first index, that is Nifty 50, how it is placed. So this is, if you're going to see the chart, this is a Nifty 50 chart, daily chart. So from the daily perspective, on the large scale perspective, it's on the higher side and recorded nearly it's 24,500 500 kind, near to 24,500 kind of level in this particular week. And but right now, from last couple of trades, it's trading in the some consolidation range from last 1 week especially. So there is no huge changes in the fundamental side and the technical side from the Nifty 50 compared to last week. So last week and previous Bazaar Charcha, so index has slightly gained from the previous Bazaar Charcha. So right now it's consolidating around that 24,500, 24,200 kind of level. So let us see in detail. So this is a Nifty 50 chart, daily chart on the candlestick formation. So if you see here from the last 1 week, it's trading in this upwards. Still, it is trading in the upward sloping, but some consolidation is happening in the last 1 week. So there is no sign of any weakness on the Nifty 50 on the price action side. However, if you see on the momentum side, there is slightly profit booking on the momentum slide. This momentum is slightly declined, and especially yesterday, the shakeout was happened in majority of the broader markets, where majority of the stocks have fallen somewhere around more than 3 to 5%, and but however in the second half it recovered. So majority of the stock shakeout was happened, and the volatility has been increased significantly in the last couple of sessions. Even today, uh, as today was expiry day, weekly expiry session also there. So today also index has slightly came down below around 24,200 kind of level, but however it managed to sustain about 24,300. That is this pivot level from last couple of trading session. So what we can draw from this price action and momentum, also momentum from RSI as well as MACD. So overall trend is positive. However, price cluster is making something kind of rounded top kind of price formation. However, there is no as of now there is no sign of any weakness. But to be on the cautious side, index has some critical support around its 24,200 and 150 kind of level. That is yesterday and today's low. That is 24,200. There is a very good support at that kind of level. If it sustains about that level, there is no any major weakness on the downside. But on the upside, 24,500. So if you see couple of chart highs, 450 and 460, that is where the resistance area for the Nifty 50 as of now. If it sustains back once again that area, then once again Nifty 50 will likely to move positive, and it might touch 25,000 level before budget also. So budget is placed in the next couple of weeks. That is on July 23rd, I guess. So from the next couple of weeks, some volatility likely to increase in the Nifty overall market, and some we can see some profit booking also before budget session, or we might see some pre-budget rally also we can see. So anything might happen in the next couple of weeks. So to be on the safer side, 24,500 on the upside, and 24,200 is a major critical support and resistance area for Nifty 50. And for the majority of the larger time frame chart, Nifty 50 is major critical support is placed on 21 DMA, that is around 24,000 and 23,900 level. So that is a major support level for Nifty 50. So this is regarding Nifty 50, and also if you see from the last 1 week, FIS last one, sorry, not from the last 1 week, from especially from the June and July week, FIS are coming back to the market and buying the stocks. So that is a very positive sign from the fundamental side. And Q1 earnings going to be released in the today. TCS earnings have been released, and from today there is going to be a series of Q1 reports going to be due. So majority of the stocks might see some volatility due to earnings reaction. So please trade cautiously at current juncture. In trading at the Nifty 50 level, it's kindly bit of risky. So wait for the dip for the better opportunity. So that dip is around 24,200, and next level is 24,000. So that is a very good level for Nifty 50 to buy. So current level is bit risky. So anything might happen in the next couple of weeks. So that's regarding Nifty 50. And the next major sector is Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank is also trading at near to all-time high levels. But however, from the last 1 week, it witnessed some profit booking, and it's closer to its 21 DMA. But if you see, observe carefully from the last 1 week price action on the Nifty Bank Nifty. So this is a candlestick chart. So if that made a high on July 4th, so that is a evening star pattern. So some kind of say negativity is there in Bank Nifty because of especially which happened after HDFC Bank and HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank saga. So that is a two major banks have witnessed some sharp fall. Because of that, Bank Nifty has been some profit booking is happening in the Bank Nifty. And however, today this price action, which is it has tested that 21 DMA, but however it closed on the positive side. So that is a very good positive sign on the Bank Nifty. But some negativity has been placed over and around that 52,000 level. So if it breaks that 52,000 level, then we might see some more pull downside, and it might come back towards 51,000 kind of level, which is previous private level. So that is a 51,000 to 51,200 kind of level. So some if that profit booking continues, it might come back towards 51,000. But on the down momentum side and momentum side and price action suggests that it likely to consolidate around this level of only, that is 51,000 sorry 52,000 to 53,000 kind of level. So it is likely to consolidate in the next couple of weeks. So this gap down with this gap down area is very crucial for Bank Nifty, where it might see some hurdles around that area. So overall trend is positive, unless it's trading above that 52,000 kind of level. So this is regarding Bank Nifty. And one more sector is Nifty Auto. So Nifty Auto from last couple of weeks in the key news because of Maruti, M&M. So that is a key news over here. But however, if you see from the price action side, after it hitting its all-time high at 26,000 kind of level. So after hitting 26,000 level, it is moved to the sideways trend. There was an attempt to make a breakout, but however, it could not happen. So right now it's testing its 21 DMA, which is it already almost closed that level. So if you observe that clearly from the last 3 months data, so 21 DMA is acted as a crucial support level for Nifty Auto. So let us see whether it will hold or not. But however, on the momentum side, it's slightly on the negative side. Let us see what the price action suggests. If it breaks below that 24,900 kind of level, so we might see the major this upward sloping trend line. If you can see the trend line, that is a major support level for Nifty Auto. So that comes around 50 DMA. So that is the next level of support for Nifty Auto. That is around 24,350 kind of level. So if it breaks that this level of 24,800, then we might see 50 DMA as the next level of support. On the flip side, that level is 25,800, and as well as 800 to 26,000 level. So any positive news, any trigger from coming from any companies, especially from the major companies like Maruti or Tata Motors, or from the two-wheeler segment Bajaj. So that is going to be very crucial for Nifty Auto, and we might see some green hydrogen EV aspects in the budget also. So that going to be crucial for Nifty Auto in the next couple of weeks. So let us see how it happens. So next couple of days likely to consolidate in this particular range for Nifty Auto. So I would like to invite you to Rahi. So he's going to discuss some more sectors.
Yeah, thank you, Yatisha. I would like to share my screen. Yes, why it is coming this side. Okay. So I would be talking about Nifty Metal, Nifty FMCG, Nifty IT, and Nifty Energy. So let's go one by one. So this is the daily chart of Nifty Metal, and looking at the chart itself, we can understand like the index is actually trading with sideways kind of pattern after hitting its recent high, that is 10,195, or we can say like 10,200. The index has witnessed some sort of profit booking, though it has tried to bounce back very next day here. But after that, again, it is actually trading in the sideways, and there is no major movement has happened till now. It has also breached its short-term moving average, that is 21 DMA. Okay, and it is currently trading near its 50 DMA. So looking at the chart, we can say like and if you so one day data आज का data यहाँ पे miss है. So I would like to open the live data of Nifty 50, Nifty Metal. So we can see that the index has actually moved on actually a close and flat note. It has just closed by 0.45%, 0.45 points, which is around 0.000%. But the beauty of the index is it has actually tried to defend the lows, and it has somehow managed to close on the positive note. That's it. So still there is a lack of buying momentum here, which is lagging, and it is clearly visible on the chart itself. So we have to observe how the movement is happening. And as of now, 50 DMA might act as a support. And we can see that the low that has happened on yesterday and like 9600, and after that the index I actually tried to bounce back. Okay, so that 9600 might act as a support for this, and once that breach, then it might retest its 100 DMA also, but it will not give up that easily because it is almost 8% away. So we have to see how the index is trying to move, because आज का जो positive move हुआ है उसमें there is a hope that it might try to move upside. So we have to observe for another 2 to 3 days, and let's see how well that is trying to reclaim its first resistance, that is 21 DMA or not. So once it is reclaiming that, we can hope that index might retest its recent high, and we can also see some new formation of highs and new formation of lows. So this is about Nifty Metal. The next one is Nifty FMCG. So Nifty FMCG is actually trading in the bullish trend, and there is no sign of weakness. It is trending up its all key moving averages. And yeah, but last means before this week, I think from here means after hitting its recent high, the index has witnessed some sort of profit booking, and after that it has also traded in a sideways kind of pattern. It was actually trying to hold its 21 DMA, and somehow it has managed also very beautifully. And on 5th of July, there has been significant move that has come, and that move had actually continued, and the index is actually trending in the uncharted territory. So there is no sign of weakness, though we can hope that index might hit its 60K, which may act as a resistance. And once that 60K is reclaimed, then we can again expect some upside move in this particular index. Now Nifty IT. So Nifty IT, we have seen like after hitting its recent high on 4th of June in the last month, the index has actually tried to move upside. We have seen a significant buying interest has emerged here, and after that the index has also declined here on the 4th of June. Index was trading with all key moving average. Now we can see like the index has reclaimed all its key moving average, like 21 DMA, 50 DMA, followed by 100 and 200 DMA as well, and now it is trading above its all key moving average. So we can see like there has been improvement in IT index, and the index is actually trying to move upside. The thing now in IT index is the resistance that the recent formation of high that has taken place near here, and the 19th of Feb, we can expect that index, if buying interest emerge in the same pattern, then we can expect that index might retest it the recent high that has happened in February, and it can move towards upside, because we can hope like आज ATCS का result आया. So the result was actually uh, it is actually good, where the index where the stock has beaten the market estimate as well. So we have to see how that IT index is behaving, and based on that we can take our call. Now Nifty Energy. So Nifty Energy is also trading with positive bias only. There is no sign of weakness in Nifty Energy as well. The index is trending above its all key moving average with the positive bias only. The main thing is like the recent high that index has hit around 43,000 uh, uh, 84 here, and after that we have seen the index has actually witnessed profit booking, and that has still not recovered. It has still not reclaimed that high. It is still pending for the index. So we can expect that buying if the buying interest emerges like this, and the same pattern being followed in the index, then we expect that index might reclaim its recent high, and it may move towards 43,000 to 43,500 in coming days. So this is about Nifty Energy. I think, Yatisha, there is two more sector is left. Then we will do question and answer session.
Okay, thank you, Rahi. So next one is Nifty Pharma. So Nifty Pharma has been outperformed, especially in the last 1 week. And if you see the overall chart here on the weekly scale, so index has been recently has been started its actually, and it is trading around 20,600. So it's very good run from the last couple of weeks. And if you come down to the daily chart, so it was a trade from the especially from the March, it was trading from the in this parallel channel, and there was a breakout after the election results are out. So after that week, so there was a very good breakout, and then there was a very good breakout retest also from this consolidation range. So that is a very good classical sign on the Nifty Pharma stock. So this index likely to run its bullish momentum, and it might touch 21,500 level in the coming days. Uh, so no signs of weakness so far on the Nifty pharma sector. Uh, However, there is some momentum issue where from it's making double top kind of formation, but they are not yet confirmed yet. But on price action side, it's trading at the near all-time high levels, so there is no problem. So unless one can those who are bought somewhere in the range of 19,600 in the breakout level, so they can continue to hold this particular index, and any buy on dips can be added on the Nifty Pharma. So 21 DM is the next level support, as well as previous pivot level, that is this high also is a crucial level for Nifty Pharma. So index likely to continue upwards on in the coming days. And the last sector, Nifty Realty. So Nifty Realty has been trading almost from the last after breakout from this level. So that is around 1050 kind of level. So after that breaking out from that level, so it has gained a lot, gained around 1150 kind of level. But there was some consolidation is happening on the realty sector. And if you see, observe carefully, 21 DMA has acted as a crucial support, and the next level is 50 DMA. So right now it has breached that 21 DMA in today's session especially, and some momentum issue is also building up in the Nifty Realty index. So index likely to consolidate in this particular range, that is 11,150 to 11,050 kind of level. Sorry, 11,080 kind of level. So that is a range currently it's trading. So if it breaks below that 11,080, so it might come back towards 11,050, that is its 50 DMA. So that is a major critical support for Nifty Realty. Even that breaks, so index likely to come back towards its 100 DMA. And on the flip side, if it breaks below breaks in the next couple of weeks, like it is difficult to suggest that whether it will go up or not, because volatility likely to increase. Even that, if it crosses 11,150, it has to sustain that level and continue its run. So that is a crucial level for Nifty Realty. So that's it from our end, from the sectoral point of view. So we are open for Q&A. So Rahik, please take two queries.
Yeah, I'm taking it. Just 1 second, Etisha. Tata Alexi. Just 1 second. Tata Alexi. Okay. So where is that sharing? Yeah. I got two queries now. So this is the chart of Tata Investment. So Tata Investment is clearly trading with negative bias. And it is, if you look at the chart pattern, we have seen like there has been formation of circuit, also lower circuit we have seen, and again the upper circuit. So generally we should avoid it, and the circuit is just 5%. So, and after that again the index is trading with sideways with negative bias. So as of now it is not visible to buy the stocks very clearly, because it has also breached its all key moving average here except 200. So it might retest, but it will take some time. When it is not like it will retest only, it can move upside also, and it can may reclaim its 100 DMA. So we have to wait for the movement of the stocks. We have to see how price action is behaving, and based on that we can take our call. But as of now I would not suggest to buy this stock. The next one is Tata Elxsi. Tata Elxsi is clearly in the is trading with negative bias, and it is trading with uh, trading below its all key moving averages as well. So yeah, I would suggest not to buy the stocks. And the next one is which one? 15 chats. Okay. Arvind. Arvind.
Arvind Smart Places.
Okay. So Arvind Smart Places, yeah. So it is trading with sideways, and we have seen that there is significant fall and profit booking also taken place here after hitting its recent high at 764, and it has also formed the base here 623, and we have seen that a bounce back is taking place. Banking index has emerged, but the point is it is still trading with sideways, and it is still not out of the wood if you look at the price action of past 2 weeks. So I would suggest yeah, just to watch it, and you can take it in your watch list. And if it is trying to reclaim, or if it is giving the breakout with consolidation based pattern where pivot formation has actually placed around 764, so 765 to 770 would be the ideal range to buy the stock. The next one is Supriya Life Science. Okay, I think Supriya has closed on negative note today, I guess. Yes. So Superior Life Science is struggling to give the breakout, and we have thought that actually we have thought that a breakout has taken place here, but again, very next day it has failed to hold above the breakout level, and again it is trading with negative bias only. So I would suggest to wait for more days and see whether the breakout is taking place or not, which is just 3% from the pivot level. So I think one can wait for it.
Okay, let me take a few queries.
Yeah, please take. Then yeah, I
Okay.
will take it. Yeah.
Let me start with the Hind Copper. So Hind Copper, another metal stock. So after it making it double top formation over here, and that confirmation was came on this particular day on the June 4th. So that is on the election result day. So that is a way level where it has gone down and once again came up, and it faced the resistance around its 21 sorry 50 DM. And but however it traded sideways, and currently right now also it's trading in that particular range, price cluster range, and facing a resistance around its 50 DM. So that is a level where it faced a strong resistance. So if it crosses that level, that is around 2356. So that is a level where it is facing a strong resistance, that is 350 kind of level. So once it crosses and holds above that level, then we might see some more consolidation. It might touch 400 kind of level in the coming days. But as of now, it's likely to consolidate in this particular range, and there is no any sign of positive momentum on the uh, sectoral uh, for this particular stock. So 350 is a critical level to watch on the Hindu copper. Next one is Kirloskar Electricals. So today, I think it has given a breakout from this kind of sideways range. If you draw a trend line from this previous on the closing basis, so it has given a very good breakout. One can go with the buy with the stop loss of below this swing low. That is 21 DMA. Also, it's possible. One can keep a close watch on this particular stock. If it comes back towards 200 and a breakout level, that is 217 218, then that is a very good buy. But right now it's slightly on the upper side, it's almost 10%. I think this stock is an ASM list. Please be careful before you buy. So anything might happen if the circuit filter revises back to 5%. So then we might see some selling pressure also if something happens in the market. So before you buy, please maintain your stop loss carefully. Check your stop loss below that below that circuit filter price. If it manages your risk, then you can go with it. But as of now, it's very good buy signal from the breakout level. Next one is Grievance India. So stock is in the trending upward, but right now it's trading in the sideways range. So if those are bought from the much earlier price, then can continue to hold this particular stock with the stop loss below its 50 DMA, but current juncture can be avoided with the fresh entry. Next one is ABB. Here also the same thing. It's both are common industries. So here also it's trading in the sideways range, and 50 DM is likely to act as crucial support for ABB. So better to not to buy at current juncture. Better those who are holding from the much lower level can continue to hold with stop loss below its 50 DM. Next one is Balmware Lowry. So this is a very good stock. After that breakout from this level, it has shakeout was happened in this particular June first week, but after that it's trending in the positive level from the last 1 week. So its stock is positive. One can go with the stop loss below this swing low, but it's a bit deep. If you see the price action, it is comes around 250 kind of level from the current level. So that is huge downside. On the downside is there, but on the upside there is a resistance around 310 level. So if it crosses that level, it likely to continue to move up. This is strong stock. If it comes back towards 270, then it is a very good buy. But right now it is still a bit on the upside, is higher. It's trading around 300 rupees. So better to wait for some more. Those are holding from the lower level, continue to hold. There is some resistance might witness in 300, 310 kind of. Next one is Idea Forge. After its IPO, we can see some downfall which has happened especially from the last 1 year, but one and a half year. So, but right now it's something is changing in this particular stock. So we clearly see that from the last 1 month. So if you see here, there is a up, there is a strong upward, and this stock is in the defense sector. Many of them may not be knowing this company is making a drones, but this is a very small company. So that's the reason many majority of the people don't know this particular stock. But current price action cluster, it's making a flat kind of pattern. It has given a first breakout here, but if you see there are a couple of entry we can see in this particular stock. So one entry was around its 200 DMA bounce, as well as flag pattern pattern breakout, and also one more breakout around after 340 kind of, sorry, 840 kind of level. So that is a critical resistance level for ID Force. If it crosses that 840 level, so we might see some 900 kind of level in the next coming days. In the it is going to be a very faster recovery, because the stock is in the under pressure from last 1 week. So it's made a very good base. So that is a very good stock, but one can keep a swing low as a stop loss. That is also one more, and also 200 DMA can be also your stop loss. So stock is good, but major hurdle is 840 kind of level. Next one is Texmaco Rail. So stock is in the upward trend, and it has given a breakout from cup with handle pattern. At current juncture can be avoided, but those who are bought somewhere in the range of this consolidation range. So one can continue to hold this particular stock with the stop loss below its 21 DMA. So there is no problem with this particular stock and strong fundamental stock. And one more rail stock, RVNL. Someone is asking, can we buy it RVNL at current price? It's up to you. If you can manage your risk, and if you can see some more steam left in this particular RVNL, then we can go with it. But what we recommend is better to avoid this stock right now. Once again, if it consolidates, if it forms similar kind of pattern. So if you see here what happened here, so that is what we required. So if it something consolidation happens, then you can buy. But as and if it gives a very good breakout, then you can buy. But at current juncture can be avoided. So Rahib,
Yeah,
can you please
Tisha, I'm
speak
taking
to
some of the
us?
queries here.
Or
Thank you, Tisha. Okay. So I'm starting with Welspun Living. So Welspun Living has already given breakout, and it is only just it is not showing that. Okay. So it has already given breakout with the consolidation based pattern, and actually the stock price action is looking great, and the volume profile is also good. It is above average volume. So breakout generally with above average volume is actually good. So one can, if someone is trying to buy their stock, they can take their call on it. The next one is Elecon Engineering. So Elecon Engineering is trading with somehow we can say like consolidation from the past 3 weeks or 1 month. And after hit and the stock is actually facing resistance near like 1375 74 we can say. And it has also breached its 21 DMA also. So we have to see whether it is reclaiming its 21 DMA or not, and whether it is also reclaiming its the recent high, which is acting as a resistance for this stock or not. If you look at the pivot point of view, already pivot already breakout has taken place. So one who has already bought it when the breakout has taken place, they can remain invested. If someone is looking to buy, then they can also buy because it is just 4% away from the pivot level, so it is still in the buying range. So you have the option to wait also for 21 DMA to reclaim, or you have the option like you can take this stocks to buy in a portfolio depending upon the what we can say risk reward ratio appetite. The next one is Cholamandalam Finance Holding. So Cholamandalam Finance Holding is actually already, it has gained like 14% from the pivot level in 18 days. And after hitting its recent high, the stock is actually went under the consolidation we can say, and it is still trading with positive bias only. It is trading up its all key moving average as well. So one who is holding their stocks, they can they can hold their stocks, and there is no problem in that. There is no such weakness. And if someone is looking to buy their stocks, they have to manage their risk reward ratio for it. HDFC AMC is trading with positive bias only, trading up its all key moving average, but there has been no such great move so far. If from the past 2 weeks or past 3 weeks, we can say from 26 June, we can say a stock is actually trying to move upside gradually. But the beauty of the stock is it has already given the breakout, and it is just like 3% from the pivot level. So if someone is looking to buy the stock, they can buy it. There's no problem in it. Nesco. Nesco is trading with we can say it is trading with consolidation based pattern, or it has been trading in consolidation, and from the past 3 weeks, especially from the 14th June onwards. So I think 1003 has also acted as a resistance. So one can wait and one can see whether how the price action is behaving next day, because it has tried to reclaim its 21 day, but it has failed. So let's see how it is trying to behave in the next day trading session or tomorrow trading session. And based on that, you can take your call. The next one is Pesalo. Pesalo is looking good. It has also given tail line breakout, and it has reclaimed its 100 DMA as well. So and 21 DMA as well, and that also with above average volume. So if someone is looking to buy the stock, they can take the chance. Power Grid Corporation of India. So Power Grid Corporation of India is trying to move gradually upside. It has also gained 15% from pivot level in 49 days. So one who is holding their stock, they can remain invested in their stock. There is no sign of weakness so far. The next one is Coal India. Coal India has got support near its 50 DMA, and after that, from the past 2 weeks, we can say it is closing on the positive note, except yesterday. So that has just a significant, not that much, just a flat note. It has closed yesterday, but again, we have seen the bounce back has come. And if you look at the volume part, also it is above average volume. So stock is actually looking good. So if someone is looking to buy the stock, they can take the call. KAC International. So KAC International is actually trading with consolidation phase, we can say, from the past 1 week or 8 to 10 days. After hitting its recent high at 968, the stock has witnessed profit booking, and it has also breached its 21 DMA. So we don't know, it might hit like 50 DMA also. It might retest its 50 DMA also, or it might reclaim its 21 DMA also, depending upon the movement, how it is happening. So depending upon the price action move, you can take your call. Uh, Karur Vysya Bank has actually, after hitting this recent high at 220, there has been significant profit booking in their stock. A stock has breached its 21 DMA and 50 DMA respectively, and now it is actually trying to form the base near its 100 DMA, and it also bounced back from its 100 DMA. So let's see how the stock is behaving, and if it is trying to reclaim its 50 DMA, 21 DMA, then again we can take your call to buy the stock somewhere here. Now PGEL. Looking at the chart itself, we can see like after its breakout from the pivot in just 36 days, the stock has gained around 76%, which is actually great. So and now if someone is holding their stock, they can remain invested in their stock. If someone is looking to buy their stock, it is looking somehow extended to me. But if your reward is fitting in your criteria, then you can take your call. There is no sign of weakness in this stock. It is actually trending in the bullish trend. Ratnamani Metal and Tubes. After its breakout formation, the stock has gained around 5% in 15 days. So it is still in the buying range. So if someone is looking to buy the stock, they can take the call and they can buy the stock. There is no sign of weakness so far, and it is trading above its all key moving average as well. And it is still in the buying range. So you can take your call. The next one is Hikal. Hikal has actually witnessed profit booking from the past 1 week, after especially after hitting its recent high at 388. Sorry, 378. The stock has witnessed profit booking, and it has actually fallen from the past 3 days consecutively. But आज थोड़ा ऊपर उठा है. So I think this 378 might act as resistance. So once this resistance is surpassed, then you can take your call. But if someone is holding their stock, they can remain invested because there is no sign of weakness in Nikal as of now. The next one is GSFC. So GSFC is trading above its all key moving average, but it is somehow facing resistance near its we can say 274 or 275, which is the pivot level as well. So I would suggest to wait for some more days, and let's see whether it is giving the breakout or not. If it is giving the breakout, you can take your call. So Yatisha, please take some of the queries, then I will take.
Yes, thank you, Rahi. Wait. So let me start with the IRFC. So recently, it has given us attempt to made a breakout from cup based formation, but it failed. And right now, on this particular day, especially on July 5th, it has given a breakout level from the consolidation range, and it has gained. So on the pivot point of view, one can still go on long, but this stock is an ASM list, but be careful. But however, majority it's still in ASM level 1, so there is no problem with the circuit filter. But with the stop loss below, it's 21 DMA can trail the stop loss. But current junction, one can wait for the slight dip towards 181 kind of level. That is also a very good buy. Those who are willing to take the risk, one can go with the stop loss below its 21 DMA or 50 DMA. Next one is Hathway Cable. Before disclaimer, we are already recommend this stock in our swing trading TraderSmith portfolio. So after this particular breakout area, so it has consolidated nicely around that level, and it's hovering around that level right now. So we are holding it from 2350 from level slightly down, like 1.5%, 2% down from the portfolio. But however, trend is positive. So we might see some more upside towards 27, 28 kind of level in this particular stock with the stop loss below its swing low. That is 50 DMA also. And M&M. This particular stock, especially if you see from this part yesterday, because of M&M has slashed its XUV 700 prices, and there is some broking houses and advisory companies are slightly underrated downgraded this stock after that. So that is a huge change, and there is some change in the fundamental side also, which is happening in M&M. Because of that, there is some profit booking happened, and right now it's still trading in the 50 DMA that area. So we might likely to consolidate this particular range, and 50 DMA likely to act as key support level for M&M. And on the upside, this previous high that is around 29,050. So that is a key level to watch on the upside. If it comes back towards that level and breaks out again, then one can look for that particular stock. But as of now, no buy signal over here. Next one is NHPC. So strong stock similar to IRFC. It's a similar pattern to IRFC. So those who are somewhere bought around 100 and 101 level, that is a very good buy price. But currently trading at 114. So it's, if you are risk reward favorables, you can go with the swing low or 50 DMA as a stop loss. Balaji Mines. So chemical stock, majority of the chemical stocks trading in the sideways range, and last couple of weeks it has given some buy signal, but however it fizzled out. Still trading in the sideways range. One can look for this particular range breakout that is around 24,060. So if it breaks out that level, then you can go with the next level of 27,000 kind of level. But as of now, it's still in the sideways range. Look for the level of 24,050, 60 kind of. GSFC. So this stock is also, it has given a breakout over here, but however it is fizzled out and trading at consolidation range. So that range is 256, 260 is a critical level for GSFC. And also if you see the level of 275, there are multiple resistance for this particular stock. If it crosses that level, then we might see fresh towards high that is around 316, 320 kind of. But this stock in this particular range only, so likely to continue this particular range for the next in the next sessions. Next one is GMR Airports. So uh, after that breakout from here, so there is a very good base and there is a strong breakout, and after that is still trading in the sideways range in this particular 90, 92, 90, 100 kind of area. So it's a very good stock, but from if it crosses that upward resistance of 100, 101, then we might see some more upside on the GMR Airports. On the downside, this breakout area that is around 90 and 88. So that is a critical level to watch on the downside. So either side breakout or breakdown likely to follow this particular stock. And the next one is CDSL. Very good breakout on this particular day, especially on the June 28th with the gap up opening. So after that gap up opening, there is a slump more consolidation happened, and once again today it has formed a bullish candle. So strong stock, monopoly stock, and one can go with the those who are bought somewhere in the range of 22,050. Then they can go with the stop loss. Stricter stop loss around 22,050 as your stop loss, and also one can go with the 50 DMA as a stop loss. Those who want to trade with high risky, it comes around 15%. So if it comes back towards 22,000 level, that is this breakout level, so then there is a very good buy. But as of now, it's the chances are coming back towards its 20,000 sorry 23,000 level is quite low. Next one is Quickhill. Stock is this particular stock is trading in this particular range. If a strong breakout about that 540, 542 that level, then we might see uh, some upside towards 600 level. But as of now, it's trending in sideways range, and 50 DMA can act as a key support level on the downside. Also, if this candle, this is a consolidation range, and then there is a big breakout which happened and currently trading at sideways range. So if this is a very good sign, it's not falling below this particular candle low, and it's not crossing that this particular candle high. So once it crosses that level, then we might see some more upside on the either side breakout or breakdown may happen. Blue Star. So this Q1 going to be very crucial for Blue Star, whether they have utilized this summer peak, the very hot summer was there, and whether they reported if they're going to report a very good earnings, then the stock likely to continue this uptrend. At current juncture, one can uh, if one wants to uh, invest in this particular stock, one can go with this particular swing low as a stop loss. You can also draw a trend line from this particular low to this particular low. So that is also going to be a and they can draw a channel. And also, if you see, observe the draw trend line from the upward slope. Also, its resistance coming around that particular this candle area height. So once it crosses that level, then overall trend is positive. It's making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low price structure. But if it has to cross that level, so I think earnings will be the key over here. If earnings are good, it will like stock likely to give a breakout. One can go with the 50 DM as a stop loss for this particular stock. And next one is Praj Industries. This stock is very good. There is an early breakout level which has happened below the bases. Then this particular base which is forming over here. That is level is 530, 550, 560 kind of level. So that is a very good breakout level. After that, it's a kind of one-sided rally. There is some consolidation here and continue to trend higher. At current juncture, it's better to avoid. If it comes back towards its 660 kind of level, then one can go with the stop loss below its 50 DM and ride this trend. But the chances are coming back towards its buy price is slightly lower. Let's see how it happens. What goes going to happen. Next one is NCC. Stock is bullish, and this key budget is going to be key for this particular stock. So any infrastructure spending likely to affect this particular stock. Overall trend is positive. Currently hovering around this 21 MA, that is a crucial support level. So if it breaks below that level, then we might see towards its 50 DMA. Also, if you observe the low volumes are coming at the lower level whenever the stock goes into consolidation level. So it's coming at the lower level, and whenever it goes up, there's a full buying volume is coming. So very strong stock. One can go with the once it crosses above that 340 with kind of level, and those are already holding this stock. Continue to hold this stock unless it's showing any signs of weakness. Next one is Ashoka Buildcon. So it has given a breakout much earlier, and right now it's consolidating. So those who are keen to invest at current juncture can be avoided because stop loss is much deeper. Still, if you want to go with the tighter stop loss, we can go with the 21 DMA as a stop loss and ride this trend. And uh, the chances are going up is very high, as this stock is also on the infrastructure stock. So budget is a key over here for this particular stock as well. Next one is Tata Power. So it has been an outperformer from the especially from the last year. So right now it's consolidating. So it likely to consolidate further, and it might the key resistance area is around 480, 460. So you can see the base which is happening over a consolidation base is happening. So once it crosses that level, then you can go with the this particular stock. But as of now, there is no buy signal over here, and the key support is placed around that 100 DMA. So also if you draw a trend line connecting the lows of March low and May low, that also comes near its 100 DMA. So that is the key level to watch on Tata Power. Next one is Gulf Oil Loops. Strong stock. It has given a retest of this breakout level. Currently, if it comes back towards 21 DMA, then it's very well and good. Then one can, those who have missed this particular rally, then can enter this particular stock, but your stop loss will be much deeper. Either you have to keep the breakout level as a stop loss, or else you have to give the 50 DM as a stop loss for this particular stock. Those are much bought earlier, then continue to trail this stock with stop loss below its 50 DM. Next one is Balram Purchini. Someone is asking any sugar stocks to invest. I feel this particular stock is good, but however, fundamental side is bit low on the weaker side. It's made a flag bullish flag pattern breakout. Also, if that is forming a larger cup with handle base pattern, so it has given a very good buy signal over here. If you want to take a risk of this swing low as take 420 as a stop loss and continue to ride this trend. However, if you see here, there is a resistance area that is around 460 to 470 kind of level. So that is a pre-resistance area for this particular stock. However, volume is good and everything is fine. If it breaks out this level, then we might see some more upside. I think we have covered majority of the stock. Uh, so is any query left?
Yeah, there are some. So I am taking it on
Okay.
a faster mode. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So first one is TI India. So stock has already given the breakout and it has gained 8% from the pivot level. So if someone is holding their stock, they can remain invested in their stocks. But as of now, buying the stock which is already extended to 8% from the pivot level, it is not viable from my side. If your risk reward is fitting in your criteria, so you can take your call. So the next one is Polycab. So Polycab has also witnessed profit booking from past two weeks, we can say. लेकिन आज थोड़ा सा stock has tried to gain upside, but still it got resistance near its 50 DMA. So let's see कि next day इसका ये क्या moment होता है. Based on that, you can take your call. But still, I think it has to reclaim its 21 DM, which is almost at 3.5%. So you have to be very careful while taking the stock. The next one is Bharti Hexa Com. So it is actually trading with negative bias after hitting its recent high at 1368. 1368 stock has witnessed profit booking, and now we can see like it is trading near this 50 DMA. So it is trading with negative bias. I would suggest not to buy this stock. Birlasoft get a stock, but from the past, we can say like past few months, it is trading in the consolidation phase. If you look at the previous chart, it is actually great. It has given a huge return, and but from the past 4 months, it is trading within with consolidation phase, we can say. But it has also formed the base here, like 565 here. It has formed the base of low of 564, 565, and it is not reaching that low. So that is one positive signal, and it is also trying to reclaim its 100 DMA. So I think somewhere down the line here, some sort of resistance is placed. So once this resistance is surpassed, you can take your call here. Fine Organic is trading with positive bias. It has already gained 4% from the pivot level in 8 days only. So it is actually good. And if you are holding the stock, please remain invested in this stock. The next one is Triveni Engineering. So it is trading with positive bias, and it is actually near the pivot level. The breakout has not taken place yet. I think very soon it will take. What is the breakout level? Breakout level is 416.50. So yeah, it is just near the pivot level only. So we have to wait for price action, how it is taking place, and based on that you can take your call. The next one is EPIP. EPIP is trading with positive bias. It has gained around 18% in 35 days. Now, from the past 2 weeks, it was trying to consolidate, but at the same time, it was having the resistance of its it was having the support of its 21 DMA, and from 21 DMA, it has also tried to bounce back also, and it is trading well above that. So yeah, it is looking good. And if someone is holding the stock, please remain invested in this. The next one is NAM India, so Nippon Life India Asset Management. So it is trading with positive bias only. It is trading above its all key moving average. And yeah, so if someone is looking to buy the stock, they can take the call. HEG is trading with negative bias after hitting its recent high at 2743. Here, the stock has witnessed profit booking, and in that process, it has breached its 50 DMA, 21 DMA also, but it has got support near its 100 DMA. So let's see tomorrow how the price action is behaving, whether the stock is trying to reclaim its 21 DMA or not, and if it is doing it, then you can take your call after that. National Aluminium. So National Aluminium is has already gained 87% from the pivot level after this breakout here, and it has gained around 87%. So if someone has someone has taken this stock near the pivot level, so they can remain invested. It is actually trading with positive bias. Yeah, 1 day, 2 day profit booking is okay, but there is no sign of weakness so far. The next one is NCC. I think yeah, Tisha, you have taken that NCC, no, na?
Yeah, I have taken.
Okay. So I think already it is about 5:34. So you want to take stocks, one or two?
No, we'll wind up the session.
Okay. So thank you all for your patient hearing. It was nice, Bazaar Pe Charcha. And thank you for your patient hearing. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, everyone.